Trails Farm. It's a quick video just to show you how to make a powdered gravy mix. You can buy pouches of gravy mix for probably about 89-99 cents in the store. Why do that? You can make your own mix and have it ready to go. I keep mine in a quart jar. You might have seen my video on how to make your own powdered instant onion soup for recipes. This is sort of along the same concept. I have a quart jar and a lid that I use, and I'm going to show you how to do this really quick. Okay, you're going to need 8 tablespoons of minced onion, you're going to need 12 tablespoons of flour, you're going to need bouillon powder, not the squares. If you have the squares, you're going to have to crunch them all up into the powder. You need the powder, and you're going to need. You can make beef if you use more beef powdered gravy. How I use this, I usually make my own gravy. I use this in recipes. So when a recipe calls for like a cup of gravy or something, and I don't have the gravy already made, like if I'm making a casserole, then this is what this instant gravy is good for. So you can use beef bouillon or you can use chicken bouillon. I mostly use this this kind of gravy, powdered instant gravy, in chicken casserole type stuff. So I'm making chicken. So I have chicken bouillon. I'm going to need 8 teaspoons. Okay, 8 teaspoons of that bouillon powder. Now, your salt and pepper, you're only going to put 1 teaspoon each in, and the reason being for that is because usually when you're using this kind of gravy mix, you're adding it to another recipe, which may already be calling for salt and pepper. Or if you're making gravy, then usually people like to season it to their taste as they're making it. So 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put it in my jar. Just shake it, mix it. And there you have it. So what I would use, 6 tablespoons of this mix plus 1 cup of warm liquid. Your warm liquid could be chicken broth, chicken stock, beef broth, water, milk. Even the drippings in a combination, if that's what you want to do, of your meat. So very easy. So this is enough for about 4 cups of gravy. I don't usually fill the whole jar up because I don't use it very often. I usually have my own gravy, so this is just sort of a backup for when I don't have gravy, and I don't want it to get all clumped up. So you could double the recipe again if you want to fill your jar up more, or you can use a smaller jar. I find that the bigger jars are just easier to scoop out of and hold on to and all that stuff. So this has been an easy instant gravy powder mix, and it replaces all those sodium-filled packets that you buy in the store for $1, and you just have it on hand whenever you need some quick gravy. So this has been Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm. I hope this helped you out. Please like and subscribe. Bye.